For many people, moving outside city limits means quiet streets, more space, and a little more peace and privacy. But what happens when that peace and quiet is interrupted, not by neighbors or traffic, but by a massive data center popping up right next door? Can a company build a data center wherever they want if it's on unincorporated land? Let's verify. Our source tonight is Alabama Code Title 11. Here's what we found. In Alabama, cities and counties are not treated the same when it comes to zoning. Cities generally have broader authority to control what gets built within their limits because state law gives them more power over land use and development. Counties, on the other hand, are in a much tighter box. Under Alabama Code, counties can only do what the state legislature specifically allows them to do, and that includes zoning. So the answer depends on if the county has authority over zoning. If the county does have that power, a data center developer has to fit their project into an approved zone or go through a formal rezoning process. That process typically involves public hearings, recommendations from a planning board, and a final decision by county leaders who can approve or deny the request. If the county does not have authority over zoning, it gets more complicated. Without zoning, a county has almost no land use tool to block a data center in unincorporated areas. A developer would still need state environmental permits and utility hookups, but there's no zoning limitations, and that puts some residents in a difficult spot. The only way to get a say in what gets built next door is to have zoning, and zoning cuts both ways. It means the county gets a say in what developers build, but also in what residents can build on their own land. So we can verify whether a data center can build in unincorporated county land depends on whether your county has zoning authority. In Morgan County's case, they don't, so there's a very little standing in the way.